Hey guys, it's your girl Faith L93 and thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you're new to my channel or over here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Alright you guys, so today I have another contact review, and today I'm going to be reviewing the company Wherecolour. So this is the package that they sent me, you guys, and they have some really cool contacts on there. They have, like, their contacts are such a great price. Also guys, if you want to get some money off on these contacts, you can use my code that I'll have posted in the description box down below so that you can save some money on these contacts. So first I'm going to open this up so y'all can see that they got me. So this is the packaging. So cute, you guys. So they gave me a little note, so I thought that was so nice of them. And then I like how this is packaged, you guys. I got like a little thank you thing, and then here are the contacts in this little bag right here. So first let me see what's in the little thank you. So I got 4 contacts, so they gave me the little cases to put the contacts in, which is very, very nice. So I can definitely use. Also, I did want to show you guys what the contacts box looks like. So it has the things up here that you can put your contacts in, and then, like, I thought this was pretty neat. It like slides. You can slide it off, and this is where the tweezers and the little suction cup thing to help you put them on is at, and then you just slide it back on. So I thought that was pretty neat. So all of them come like this. Let's see, they gave me a mirror, and I guess these are like some little stickers that you can like put on your toenails or your fingernails. Oh, they gave me like a little scrunchie, and let's see, they gave me like hair tie, some foil. Oh, I could definitely put this on like my nails if I decide to do my nails. And I don't know what this little cupcake like thing, I guess it might be like a little eraser, I don't know. And a little carrot pin. Okay, so that's all that's in the thank you. Alright, now let's get into the contacts that I got. So I got 4 pairs of contacts. I did not remember what colors I got, y'all, so y'all just gonna have to bear with me. Anyways, so this green one that I got, I believe, is Elvish Wildcat green. So this is what the little metallic box looks like, and they come in 2 separate things. So yeah, this is like a green color. This is gonna be cool, because I don't ever wear green for real, for real. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. As y'all can see, this is what my eye color looks like right now. I just got, you know, natural dark brown eyes. So I'm gonna put these on off camera because I already know it's gonna take me a minute to put these in. So yeah, I'll come back on camera once I have them in. Alright you guys, so these are the Elvish Wildcat green, and I really like the way that these look, you guys. Like, these look so cute to me, and they feel pretty good. I'm still gonna have to get used to like wearing contacts and stuff. Again, these are the Elvish Wildcat green. So tell me what y'all think. I really do not want to take these off, but I'm gonna go ahead and take them off so that I can try on the next pair of contacts. These are the Margaret Blue that I'm going to try on next. So I will be back when I have those on. Alright you guys, so this is the next color that I got. This is the Margaret Blue, and as you can tell, these are very, very blue. I don't know, I feel like I look like a cartoon character with these. I don't know how I feel about them. They still look okay, but they're like really blue. Like I know that this is not like a natural eye color for me. I feel like they make my eyes look big, well, bigger than what my eyes already are. Definitely be cute like if I was dressing up like costume wise for a party or something. I could definitely see myself wearing these or something. Alright you guys, so these are what the Margaret Blue look like on me. So now I'm about to change these out. And so the next one that I'm going to try on, you guys, is Misty Hazel. So yeah, we'll see how Misty Hazel looks. Alright you guys, so this is the next color. This is Misty Hazel. I kind of like how these look too. They do kind of make my eyes look big. I feel like the pupil is kind of big, so it's like, I don't know, it's making my eyes look bigger than they already are. They already big, but I don't know, it's kind of giving me like some dragon eyes. I definitely think that these don't look that realistic, but they do look cute though. I think the green ones, the Elvish green, are still like my favorite, but these are cute too. So yeah, I definitely like the way that these look. So I say the Elvish green so far, then these, and then the blue. But I do have one more that I need to try on for you guys, so let me go ahead and try those on. And the next one that I'm going to be trying on is called Shiny Star Blues. Alright guys, so before I put in the last ones, I wanted to show you how these came in. Now these came like in these little jar containers. The rest of them were like in little slips of packaging, but I thought this was pretty cool. Like this looks like, I don't know, like a little specimen or something. I thought it was pretty cool. So I'll be right back. I'm about to try to put these on. Alright you guys, so these are the last pair. And y'all, even though I mentioned that like the bottle of this was cute, it was really hard to try to get these out, because I had to use the little tweezers that these come with to get these out. But yeah, this is what they're looking like now. It looks like it's hardly nothing here, but like if you were to get up close on me, like it looks like a galaxy is going on in my eyes. I am gonna show a close-up of it, but from far away, like I feel like my eyes still look pretty normal. They look like my regular eyes. Like if you get up close on me, you're gonna be like, girl, what's going on with your eyes? Like, is that the Milky Way galaxy up in there? So yeah, I guess these are cool. This wasn't what I was expecting with this color, but I guess it's cool. I guess if I had like lighter eyes or something, it might look different, a little bit more different. But since my eyes are dark, this is how they are turning out. Overall, I would say that my favorite was the Elvish Wildcat green, then the hazel, the Misty Hazel, then these, and then the blue. So yeah, and I wanted to get like colors that I didn't have, something that was different. I wanted to try something that was different, so that's why I got these cool colors. Alright guys, so let me know what you all think about how these contacts look. Let me know if you are going to try them out. Remember to use my coupon code down in the link below so that you can get some money off, because you know everybody likes to save some coins. Of course, I'll leave the links to everything, to the website, to these contacts that I tried on, all down below in the description box, so check it out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.